Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Suci Ayu Wulandari, NPM 233163030, class Computer Engineering. I will explain about vector. In physics, in addition to the main amount and derivatives, known as the size of the vector and the scale of the scalar. The vector amount is the magnitude of physics with the value and direction, while the scale of scalar is the magnitude of physics that only has value but does not have direction. Some vector magnify among the other movement, style, pressure, magnetic field, and momentum. The magnitude can always be associated with the direction of which the vector works. The magnitude of physics such as speed, mass, distance, time, birth, volume, and mass of the type, including the scale of scalar, because of such amount has only value if it is said there is a table of 2 meters long. Then the statement is quite clear because we do not require the direction to determine the magnitude. Such a magnitude is called a magnitude scalar. But if it is said that a kid kicks the ball in style 100 of cross, the statement can still bring about other question in which the ball moves. Same with a statement of the car moves at a speed of 60 km/h. The question that appears of example where's the car moving, speeders like fashion and speed always have value and direction to belong to the vector sport. A vector is not and described specifically with clear understanding and limited. Vector is not a notification or small letter or word all on it. For example, the vector of a style can be described or written with or from. Sometimes a vector is also give a large Y notation with one row above the sum, such as the transfer vector of a thing moving from point A to point B is noted. A vector can be described as a straight line straightened duplicate row, which limits are as follows. 1. The starting point of the row marked is the vector capture. The cat of the vector means the point of the pledge of the vector is from working. 2. The length of the row states the value or lar vector. The lar vector is illustrated with longer arrows as well as the smaller vector is illustrated with a shorter row. The value or lar vector is not the nodes with the same case as the vector in question but without the row on it or not bolded or equal to the vector notation but in the absolute range mark. For example, the vector is AB or AB. 3. The direction of the arrow describes the vector. For this direction is usually used the direction of the right to the direction to the left, the direction above, direction down, strike upright file to the file to readers, and strike upright direction of the file of the segment of the reader. In the field of Cartesian, the vector direction is set with the corner that the vector pointed with the positive x, the spinning angle of the clock needle is negative, and the corner that rotates the opposite clockwise is given a positive 6. 4. The vector extension line is called vector work line, such as line A for the benefit of vector operation such as sums, difference, and so. The point of capturing a vector can be transferred but by not changing the font and the direction of the vector. Vector operation daily. We never less from the name of the size, starting from the size of the clothing imposed, the shoes, the size of the distance, and the time of the course wined. Almost every moment we always find a good in determining a measure, as it is very important and can even determine the pattern of life and our lives. In physical physical science, we know the term that only has only value and value that has value and direction. For example, the body of a person has only value, while the speed of the car is in the toll roads and direction. To that in only has only value is called a scalar and massive scale that has the value and direction referred to as a vector. Can you mention some other plurals including scalar and verification progress? There are four aspects that need to be observed in describing the vector, which is the point of catch, the end of for the ultimate, the arrows, and the direction of the arrow vector. The base or cut point is the plot point indicated by the vector begins. When the vector is depicted representing the style, then the base point says the point of work is working style. But when the vector is depicted to state the transfer, then the base fetch point is representing the starting point of the transfer. The vector and of the vector does not have a specific meaning. The endpoint is drawn after the Denger's long and vector direction. The arrow length represents the value of the vector. Longer vectors have greater value. When long vector is to long vented vector, the vector value is twice the outer vector value. The arrow direction represents the vector direction. The vector sum addition, in addition to having vector values, also has direction. Vector summation and application of other algebra operation has certain rules. In this section discusses the rules of the vector sum. The vector summation can be done with several methods, namely 1. The method of the rank triangle method, method of polygon, method of description atau description analytical. Vegetables are also, in addition to being able to sum up, vector can also be multiplied. There are two types of vector musical operation. 1. The multiplication of scalar with vector if a vector is multiplied with a number scalar. 2. Vector multiple with vector. There are two types of multiplication between vector and vector. First, of the point of dot production, which product scalar, and second, cross production quotient production vector. A point of both dot products. Point of both between two vector P and Q products R. Point of cross involves two vector A, P, and that product vector R. Determine the vector resultant when you sum up a reducing two or more scalars then you can do in a way alignable. To determine the two square or more vector accounts, you should review the big and direction of each vector working on that item when the vector is a style, because it is also a portable vector. Then we should pay attention to the grid and direction of the style. Results for the fashion style: strike resistance, style resistance can be determined with two ways. 1. The style of the big style of the style of the style can be determined by summing up all. 2. Style power style of style, that the style of the option can be determined by reduction its style. Style resultant can be determined in several ways, namely 1. The way of triangle. 2. How to rank the rank. 3. The way polygon or aspect is a way of vector by connecting the vector to the other vector, and should always pay attention to that the length of the number and the vector direction is not changed. For analytic mathematical method, analytic method is a way of the vector in the past to for outline the style of string. That's the explanation about vector. I hope it's useful, and thank you for listening until the end. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.